So, hello again, and welcome to the last lecture of our Pin Heroes course. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you for coming this far. You made it. You are a Pin Hero from now on, and all you need to do now is to implement everything that you've learned from here in order to kill it and crush it on Pinterest with ease. So thank you for coming along with this journey, and let's just start with the last lecture, which is the module 5, lecture 2 of applications, and we're going to talk about drawing traffic here. So the main reason why people start their Pinterest accounts is because they want to draw traffic from it. So how you can actually do that and why you need to do that. Well, actually, drawing from traffic from Pinterest is extremely lucrative because it is like another type of SEO optimization for you. It's like another search engine alongside Google and YouTube and any other search engines that you're using. And it allows users to find your content directly through the Pinterest and just get to your website or wherever you want them to be redirected. And it's extremely great thing to do. Plus it is way less competitive than Google SEO is or any other search engines are. So it allows you to get more and more and more and more traffic, and it allows people to just stumble upon your content even without searching it. And if they will just like your pin picture, they will just click it, and that will be it. So what you need to concentrate on in order to draw traffic from Pinterest, you will need to concentrate on the link clicks, of course. Let's get to the analytics now, and let's scroll down and go to the link clicks. Yes, basically what you need to do is you need to concentrate on the link clicks. Just remember, you have thousands of different pins, and even a single link click got from this pin is considered a success. You'll more likely you'll get less than 10 link clicks even on the successful pins. So just concentrate on that. As you can see right here, like this picture, basically this pin is getting like 3,000 pins in last 3,000 link clicks in the last 30 days. Which is extremely great result. And by the way, this pin is nowhere near as popular as the number one pin. If you remember, the number one pin, which is on the second place now, has like 10 times more impressions than this one, but it has more link clicks. So for your website, basically for your own business, it is more important to have more link clicks than to have more impressions. Like in this case, you can see that it has like 1,000 more, like almost 30% more link clicks than the pin that have like 10 times more impressions. So this is what you need to concentrate on while you create the pins. You need to concentrate on creating pins that can actually drive impressions to your Pinterest account, or if you want to create pins that can drive traffic to your website or whatever you want to drive it. So in this case, I would use these two pins for the two different reasons. First, I would create pins more similar to this one, to the first pin, in order to drive traffic to my website that I'm actually doing. And the second, I will create the second second pin basically, in order to drive traffic to my Pinterest, because I want to grow my Pinterest as well and make it as big, as large as possible, and seem very friendly for different brands as well, and very competitive as well. So that's the two types of pins that you need to concentrate on. As for the saves and the close-ups that are really important, they are more tied towards impressions rather than link clicks. So I would not concentrate that much on these two. If you want to increase impressions, of course, like look into the close-ups and saves. But if you like, link clicks is more like a separate thing to do, because people usually do not like to leave Pinterest to just see whatever the content they want. They rarely actually do that. You can have millions of impressions on the pins, but have like maybe less than 1,000 or just a few dozen link clicks, because people usually are browsing Pinterest just to browse the Pinterest, to see different designs, to see different stuff. They rarely do that to read something or to buy something. Not rarely, but more often than, of course, any other website. But just the majority of the impressions that I got on Pinterest is for just to look at it, just to look at the pins. That's it. They'll just get inspirations and see different designs. So this is what you need to concentrate on to get a traffic. Concentrate on link clicks and create the pins similar to the pins that are getting basically a lot of link clicks. That's it. And just A/B test again with these types of pins. So this will be it. Basically, this is extremely short lecture because it can be a bit deep compared to that, but we're not concentrating on that now. So, well, this is it. This short lecture wraps it up, and this will be it for the Pin Heroes course. Thank you everyone for the amazing journey. Again, you can just go through all the lectures that you are interested in and just drop the questions, whatever you want. Just continue doing your work. Just do not stop on Pinterest, because Pinterest does not like you to stop. If you stop, you will just become stagnant, and you will just start losing impressions, and that's it. That's not the thing that you want. No matter how deep you are, like if you have even tens of thousands of pins, if you stop, your impressions will start going down. It's not that they will go to zero eventually, but they will start going down, and more pins you have, more stable it will become. Like if you have like 30,000 pins, maybe it seems quite a lot at the beginning, but trust me, when you will get into it, like probably you will get to 30,000 pins, like if you keep pinning consistently, maybe in a year or so. So it may seem a lot, but just remember that pins on Pinterest have the life cycle of maybe a few years. So this year of working may just give you results for the few years ahead, like 2-3 years in front of you, and it will just drive traffic like 2-3 years ahead forward, and it will give you a bunch of traffic, a bunch of impressions, a bunch of brand recognition, and establish a huge brand authority for you in the future. Just remember, you are doing all this work in order to not do all this work in the future. So just concentrate on creating as many pins as possible, and create pins as great as possible, so people would just get to your account. You could just stop doing anything after a while, and you will still continue getting a lot of impressions and a lot of views. Trust me, this is how it's gonna happen, because like a lot of the pins that are extremely popular for me right now, I have uploaded actually, and I have repinned and made a few months ago, and they're killing it now, and they're even increasing in their view rates. So just never stop, never give up, and just continue working to reach your goal. So thank you everyone for being here. It was a pleasure to be your instructor on this course, and I'm always here to help. Just continue asking questions, and I'm gonna continue giving you as big of a value as possible. I'm still continuing to improve my Pinterest formula, going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. If there will be any major changes, of course, the lectures will be changed as well, and we're gonna continue just improving these lectures as well. I'm gonna continue improving with you. While you continue improving, I'm gonna continue improving as well. If there will be new formulas, new changes into Pinterest algorithm, everything will be updated live just for you. It may not get updated in a live lecture, but at least it may get updated in descriptions, or on a Discord server maybe, or on a Facebook group. It can be uploaded anywhere, updated anywhere. So just join our service, join our groups, of course, just to keep in touch, to keep everyone in touch, just keep everyone together, and just giving out all our experiences to just help each other to grow, because you pen heroes need to kill it on Pinterest. You need to crush it on Pinterest. So thank you again and again. I cannot stop thanking you for being with me, and I hope to see you on the Pinterest, and maybe we're gonna, I don't know, hang out or something. So thank you again, and I will see you later. Take care and bye.